So in this video, I'm going to buy some meme coins from scratch. So if you follow along, you'll learn how to do it yourself. Now, first we're going to want to download Phantom. Search it up. We'll get the extension on Chrome. Go download, put it on Chrome. 4 million users. So we'll go add to Chrome and click add the extension. Right, then we're going to go create new wallet. Just enter a password, then click agree. I'm going to blur this just in case, but this you want to save. These are your recovery phrases, and if someone gets a hold of this, they can take all your assets. So just keep this to yourself and make sure you save it in case you forget your password, etc. So once you saved it, just click save my secret recovery phrase and we'll get started. So now you got your wallet, you're ready to put some Solana in. Now to do that, you're going to want to log into your exchange, and then you're going to click copy on your Solana address. Feel free to send me some Solana if you guys want to support the channel. That'll be funny. So yeah, send Solana to your wallet and then we can get ready to buy some meme coins. So you want to go into your exchange. I'm on an exchange called Independent Reserve, and just buy some Solana. I'm buying $50 worth and confirm. Now that we got some Solana, go to your accounts and then you should see your Solana and click withdraw. Now here I'm selecting maximum. You paste your wallet address in and just click confirm and take it out. If you're on Binance, do the same thing, withdraw your Solana and then paste in your wallet. I got a referral link for both Independent Reserve and Binance if you guys are interested. So bam, we just got our Solana, and now we just need to choose a meme coin to buy. So let's go to Deck Screener. Now, if you want to be more degenerate, you would go to Pump.fun. Just FYI, I've lost a multiple of dollars on this website. Oh, yeah, you'll see a lot of random ass coins, and you can just click here. You connect your wallet here, Phantom. Click connect, confirm, save a name. Right, and now you can buy and sell using your Phantom wallet on Pump.fun. Just be careful, this is the most riskiest thing you can do. But something else to keep in mind is Peanut was launched on Pump.fun, so you never know how lucky you'll get. And there's bunch of meme coins released every second, so it's kind of common sense that not everyone is going to make it. Just if you want to start here, you would probably want to put a few dollars in and not risk a lot of money, but that's completely up to you. Now, what I usually do if I'm not buying random shit coins, you know what, let's be a degenerate and buy some Pump.fun coins, and then we'll put the rest of it in some bigger meme coins on Radium. So this one just crashed, as you can see. I think it got rugged. What else? What else can we buy? That's interesting. Right, let's buy some of this. Just gonna put 0.1. It's kind of funny, so I'm gonna buy it. So just go place trade, confirm, and we're about to buy. Failed. Let's try again. Oh, it's pumping a bit. Let's buy that. Alright, we got confirmed. Now it's crashing. Look at that. Straight after we bought. But no, this is Baby Cheeny. There's a ticker which I don't know too much about, but it's pretty popular. But this one's got a market cap of 74 million, sorry. Now let's see how this goes, hey? Hopefully pumps a lot. Now to sell, we would just click here and sell. So yeah, that's how you get into meme coins, and I showed you a much more of a degenerate way